Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. IG-theasiadionna here. I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing y'all how to apply false lashes. So if you've never worn them before, or if you're trying to figure out how to wear them, this is going to be this video because I'm going to give y'all all the tips and tricks on how to do this as easy as possible and as fast as possible. So make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos. Make sure you like, comment, share this video, and let's get into the tutorial. So just a little background on me and lashes. I did not wear them up until I was like in 10th grade. When I started getting really heavy into wearing lashes, I didn't have anybody to show me. I used YouTube to show me how to do everything when it came to makeup back in the day. I still use YouTube now when it comes to things that I don't know. So don't be ashamed, y'all. We all been there. As far as the lashes I'm going to be using today, just to demonstrate what to do, are from Ardell, and they're the faux mink wispies. This is the box that it comes in, and then I actually took them out already. This is how they look. Can I focus? Okay, yeah, they're like a really wispy kind. I love these kinds because they just look so natural. I don't like those super thick, crazy looking lashes. I love wispy kind. So the first thing you want to do when applying lashes, you need to get you a good old mascara. It really doesn't matter what kind of brand you use. I just like using the L'Oreal telescopic mascara. It comes in a tube like this, a gold, really skinny tube, and just says telescopic on it. And the brush is really skinny, so it coats your lashes really good. The reason for wearing mascara, some people might be like, why are you wearing mascara if you are gonna wear fake lashes? Your lashes need something to sit on and something to support them, because if you put them just on your lashes themselves, it's gonna be really hard to get them to stay and to be secure, because your lashes, eyelashes are just so soft and flimsy. It's so difficult, unnecessary, trying to sit there to get lashes to stick on your lashes by themselves. So make sure you use some kind of mascara. So I'm gonna just go ahead and just get started. And the thing I love about this mascara is that the wand is so skinny and precise that it gets literally every single lash that you have. I'm gonna do the other side the same exact way. Your mascara on. Now that you have your mascara on, you want to get into what you're going to need for your lashes. You will definitely need a good pair of tweezers. These are like my go-to tweezers right here. They're just your average regular kind. They're just, they rainbow. But tweezers are tweezers to me. I never really came across anything spectacular when it comes to tweezers. I don't know if there are any better kind out there. Y'all can let me know that, but these work just fine. And then you're going to need lash glue, or what I use hair glue. I know you're not supposed to use hair glue, but I personally have never had any problems using hair glue for my lashes. Nothing bad has ever happened to me. I don't lose lashes. I have lashes, clearly. Like, I don't know why people feel like you shouldn't use it. I mean, I know you're not supposed to use it, but it works just the same. I actually don't like using lash glue because I feel like it's a little bit too strong, and that has ripped out my lashes before. So you're gonna take your lashes out, and when you're taking them out of the pack, you don't want to just go in here and just rip them out, because lashes are very like flimsy kind of. They're really fragile, so like the wrong turn can like really ruin a whole lash. So you got to be really careful. I just like to peel it from the corner and just take it off like that. So taking it up just like that. So let me zoom in a little bit. So when you get your lash out, the way that you can tell what side, like if it's a right or a left lash, is by the end of it. You see the corner right here? That corner is short because that means that's going to be the inner corner of your eye. So that means that this is going to go on your right eye. And vice versa, the same thing for this one. You can just always tell where it's supposed, you can always tell which eye is supposed to be for based on the corner and which one is shortest. Now, if you ever need to cut your lashes, sometimes some lashes, they come really long and I have to cut them to fit my eye. Make sure you cut from the end, because if you cut from this side, you're gonna ruin the whole lash and you're not gonna have that wispy, really pretty, natural, flowing looking look on the lash. Take your tweezers, you're gonna hold it and put it up to the lash band. Like, bring it up, not on the lash band, but like right underneath it in the middle. And that's how you're gonna hold it, just like this. I hope I can see this. you need to hold it just like this, okay? Your glue should be as thick as the lash band is. So I'm gonna just take a little bit of the hair glue on like the back of a comb or whatever you want to do, because I don't like squeezing it directly from the bottle, because I've ruined a lot of lashes doing that because it came out too fast sometimes. So I just take like the tip of a comb or something, and I'm gonna just spread it on the lashes or the lash band. And then you need to wait like at least 15-30 seconds. Let the glue get tacky. If you put it right on while it's still wet, it's not gonna stick. It's gonna keep flipping up, and then you're gonna have a mess. So while you're waiting for that to dry, you can figure out what mirror you're gonna use, because that's the next thing. You need to make sure you have a mirror. I'm gonna use this mirror that I have right here. The way that you wanna hold your mirror. Okay, you can't put on, well, I've never had any success, and I've never seen anyone do it like this. You can't put on a lash looking straight like this. So if you're doing that and you're always messing up, that's why, because you have to be able to see where you're placing the lash at. And if you're looking straight forward, you won't be able to see that. So when you are putting on lashes, you want to make sure whatever mirror you're looking into, it's angled down like by your chin, and you're looking down into it so that you're able to see where you're gonna sit the lash. I have my mirror right here. You can use a handheld mirror, you can use whatever you want. I just have this one because this is already on my table. And you're gonna angle it like right underneath your chin so that you're looking right down at it. You're gonna take the lash and you're gonna place it right. Let me adjust my mirror a little bit more. You're gonna place it right on top of your lashes. You don't want to place it on your lid because it's not gonna blend in good. And boom, the lash is on only on the middle. So now, once you have it right there, what I like to do is I like to work from the inside corner and then go to the outside corner. So since the middle part is down already, I'm gonna just take my tweezers and just pull it and press it down. And that's it. The lash is on. And then some people like to take their tweezers and do it like this and press it on, but I'm scared to do that just because I feel like I'm gonna poke myself in the eye. So I just take my fingers and just press the lash on, and that's it. Okay, so now the lashes are on. So then once the lashes are on, I like to take some more mascara and just blend my lashes a little bit more into them. And this also helps, you know, them to just look a little bit more natural. And that's all there is to it, y'all. It's so simple to put on lashes. I'm telling y'all, once I learned the trick, which was this mirror right here, it became like the easiest thing in the world. You make sure you use tweezers, make sure you have a good old mascara, and make sure you use that mirror. And I'm telling you, girl, them lashes will go on in like 10 seconds, I promise y'all. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Let me know if you guys have any tips for me that I can be doing to make it easier and faster for me. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.